Mr. Prakash Ambedkar.
Sir, there's too much of noise.
Mr. Vijay Goyal, the ministry is there to reply what is.
New subject, new. That's why I'm waiting for this.
I called Mr.
Sir, I'm thankful.
Yeah, yes. सबको बुलाएंगे.
I'm raising.
आप चेयर को
And very
कॉपरेट किया तो
important
सबको
issue.
बुलाएंगे, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम. सबको.
That is regarding the hoisting of the flag.
बस.
Sir,
हमारा पास
in
सबको
year-
नोटिस है ना.
गंभीर मामला है हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में फर्स्ट
बुलाए
टाइम
ना.
ब्लास्ट हुआ
ना, प्रकाश को बुलाया ना अपने.
सर हमें भी टाइम दिया जाए तो
सबको देंगे ना.
sir, in the year
Because since he has given
1949,
an adjournment motion,
there was one agreement between Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and then the RSS, in which it was clearly stated that on the 26th of January 1950, when all political prisoners were to be released, the RSS will hoist a national flag at the Nagpur headquarters. Sir, time and again, there has been agitations from various quarters. I will not go into the past history, but the year before last, an all-party meeting took place at Nagpur, in which a decision was taken that if the RSS does not hoist a flag at their national headquarters, all party workers will go and hoist a flag at the Nagpur headquarters of RSS. Sir, yesterday, sir, last year,
Please, Honorable Speaker has
I have already given
permission.
an adjournment motion for it.
Don't disturb now. Well, we
Sir, I
have
have already
given
given an adjournment motion.
permission. Speaker has given permission. Why?
Sir,
He has given permission.
सर पिछले साल भी
Please,
सर पिछले साल
what Mr.
सर पिछले साल जब सब पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता
He has already been given permission by the Speaker.
नेशनल फ्लैग होइस्ट करने गए थे
Please,
तो उन पर लाठीचार्ज हुआ, 10-15 लोग वहां पर घायल हो गए
please, please.
और 15 दिन के लिए
Mr.
उनको हॉस्पिटल में रखा गया था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी वहां पर नेशनल फ्लैग होइस्ट नहीं किया गया।
Ramdas Attavale, please.
इस साल भी जब कार्यकर्ता ने कोशिश की, इस साल भी जब कार्यकर्ता ने कोशिश की कि नेशनल फ्लैग आरएसएस के नागपुर के हेडक्वार्टर्स पर लगाया जाए, तो आज भी उस वक्त विरोध किया गया है। और मैं सरकार से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो अपना बयान दे कि जो आरएसएस इनके सरकार की पार्टनर है,
कहाँ है ना?
सरकार में शामिल है,
नहीं है.
क्या वह नेशनल फ्लैग को मानती है या नहीं मानती है? क्या वो इस देश में कुछ लोग, यह सवाल इस सदन का है, मान लिया क्योंकि इस देश के पंतप्रधान है, सब इस होम मिनिस्टर है, मुरली मनोहर जोशी है, कि जिन्होंने और आरएसएस हमारा विश्व में करने का सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ,
Please, let him.
मैं आपसे जानना
Let him complete.
कि इसी सदन में,
Please.
इसी सदन में
आप बैठिए.
कि आरएसएस हमारी आत्मा है,
राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ ने
आरएसएस हमारी आत्मा है, यह पंतप्रधान ने कहा है। मैं जानना चाहता हूं सरकार से कि क्या वो ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से संबंध रखेंगे कि जो नेशनल फ्लैग को मानती नहीं है। मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगा, जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या ये सदन जिस संगठन को नेशनल फ्लैग मानती नहीं है, क्या उसका अनुपात यहाँ पे रखना चाहेंगे?
Shri Ramji Lal Saman.
सर, सर,
I'll come. Now,
Sir,
please.
it's a
Ramji Lal
matter
Saman.
of national importance. Sir,
Yes,
it's a
Mr.
matter of
Prakash.
national importance,
You please control,
and
Mr.
therefore it should be debated. Thank you, sir.
Please.
Sir, I should be allowed to continue.
Please, I am on my next. Please, let me conduct the house, Mr. Pradhan.
Sir,
Goel,
sir,
Mr. Goel,
one of the
Mr.
honorable
Goel.
minister, Mr. Malle Manor Joshi.
now. Let him.
सर हत्या नहीं हुई थी, कोई हत्या नहीं हुई थी.
Ramdas, I have given the floor to him.
Sir, I am going to continue.
You come to the front, Mr. Prakash.
Sir,
Please. In brief, you were given floor by the Honorable Speaker.
Sir.
Please. In brief. Please, I have given the floor to Ramdas. You will not be getting a chance if you do interest like this. Nothing will go on record.
sir, I am not being allowed to speak now, sir.
Nothing will go on record now.
All humbugs. Sir, the Honorable Minister Murli Manor Joshi.
Honorable Speaker has allowed him. You are not allowing him to speak. What is this? He has allowed. Please. Jara.
You can protest. Sir, you have a right to reply.
There are all of you will, if you talk like this, how can we conduct this? Please, Thoda, Mr. Goel, please. Please, Goel. Mr. Pradhan.
सर, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा.
No, no, wait, again.
मैं तथ्य के साथ कह रहा हूँ.
You allow it. You
सर,
are not
अगर ये
even
जानना
allowing
चाहते
me to
हैं
speak.
तो 1949 का
You look. See, there are as many as 28 lanes are there. All of you will get your chance, provided you don't interrupt. He has been already called by Honorable Speaker. You are not allowing him to speak.
You don't know what rubbish. Sir, you should withdraw that word. Sir, you should withdraw that word.
What is this?
Sir, you should withdraw that word. Sir, you should
Will you
withdraw that word.
will you please allow him to speak? Please.
I'm not going to speak.
Mr.
Ask him to withdraw that word. I'm not saying rubbish.
That's the way how
Sir,
we
he should withdraw
conduct
that
this
word.
house.
He should apologize to the house. That is nothing.
Now, will you allow him to speak now?
Sir, it is my request to the chair that the word used rubbish, he should withdraw.
Mr.
And he
Vilas.
should apologize to the house.
Nothing will.
Sir, he should ask to withdraw.
I told you, nothing will go on the record.
Okay, I withdraw my
Sir,
word rubbish, but allow me to speak. I withdraw my word rubbish, but allow me to speak.
That's I'm giving to you.
Yes, now, Bansal,
But he
Bansal,
cannot
please.
keep on making remarks on the national flag,
Please.
adding connotations to it.
Rajay Pratap.
Sir, what I am stating is not new. If those
Please,
ministers
nothing will go on record.
and those members who are
It
not
will not
aware
go on
of it,
record except Mr. Prakash
I
Ambedkar.
would request them to refer to the Home Minister's document dated 26 November 1949, and there you will find that the agreement between the RSS and Sardar Bhai Patel, which states very clearly that the RSS will hoist the flag on the 26th of January 1950 at Nagpur headquarters, and from that day onwards, RSS has never hoisted the flag, a national flag, at the Nagpur headquarters. In fact,
Now, Prakash, Mr. Prakash Ambedkar,
even till yesterday,
this is 0 hour, Prakash.
in fact, even till
What is it
yesterday,
you want from the government?
even
Please,
till fact yesterday,
it should be a
the
test.
RSS goes on celebrating
Mr.
14th August, which is the Independence Day of Pakistan.
Please, now,
If they want
Mr.
more information, I will just tell them that one of their MLAs from Maharashtra, Mr. Gosalia, has burnt his hand while lighting the fires of celebration of 14th August every year. Sir, this is a national importance.
Sir,
What is it that your central
sir,
government has to
yesterday
do?
also.
What is Mr.
Sir,
Ambedkar?
yesterday also.
What is the central
Sir,
government has to
yesterday
do with this?
also. The party workers, all party workers went to Nagpur here, RSS headquarters, to hoist the flag, and they were prevented from hoisting the flag. Sir, it's a shame that the national flag cannot be hoisted on one of the political parties of it, and this house should take account this. Thank you, sir.